Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V30 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and I wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after this whole operation. So all we have to do is to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and enter more settings in the right upper corner again. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset. Tap on confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option works, because we've got the privacy statement, which we have to approve, agree to it whenever we will open the camera for the very first time. And as you can see, the second evidence of the grid lines, which are not visible. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.